You can't see it, but in these idyllic surroundings there is underground activity. It is the Norwegian National Road Administration that's making a road tunnel under the Oslo fjord. The work is being done at a quick pace, and the workers at this site are blasting their way at 75 meters a week through the hard Norwegian granite. NONEL in Norway is the sole supplier of explosives for the project and delivers a pumpable emulsion explosive which is sensitized when it's pumped into the drill hole. The initiating system, NONEL-LP, comes from NONEL, Sweden. The NONEL system was introduced onto the market by NONEL a little more than 25 years ago, and the system has revolutionized rock blasting. Since the system is entirely insensitive to the effects of electric fields, you can now electrify operations like drilling, dewatering and transport. This in its turn has contributed to the improvement of the working environment both above and below ground, and it has also become safer. Most of the production is carried out automatically by means of robots developed by NONEL at Gyttorp. Here, in-hole detonators are produced in a machine which is operated by one person only. The high degree of automation gives a superior and uniform quality. The particular detonators that are produced here are to be delivered by air to Japan, and therefore must be packed in a special way, so this procedure is carried out in a special packaging room. To NONEL, it's become routine to deliver NONEL detonators by air all over the world. The NONEL-LP system consists of in-hole detonators with a yellow tube and bunch connectors with a pink tube. The bunch connector consists of a connector block with a loop of detonating cord. To this block, up to 20 NONEL tubes can be connected, and they're initiated by the loop of detonating cord, which creates a shock wave that goes to the detonators. NONEL-LP is an initiation system intended for use underground. Down there, blasting is normally done against one free surface, so another front must be created to blast against. This is most easily done by means of a parallel hole cut, with one or several large holes. The rock closest to the large hole is blasted away and thrown out of the hole. This takes approximately 100 milliseconds. The more the hole expands, the more room there will be for the masses of rock that at that point are not being thrown out as quickly or as far. Normally in this case, the delay time between charges is increased and several holes are allowed to detonate at the same time. The NONEL-LP system has 25 intervals with delay times between 100 milliseconds and 6,000 milliseconds. When charging is prepared, the detonators with the shortest delay times are placed nearest the large holes, in this case 4 holes, and then the delay times are increased outwards until it is 6 seconds at the most out in the contour. A primer is then attached to the NONEL detonator, which gives a good initiation of the explosive that's been pumped into the hole. The connection work is simple. A maximum of 20 NONEL tubes are bunched and taped together. A bunch connector is slipped over the bunch and pulled tight. The charge is then initiated, in this case with a safety fuse, but also electrical initiation or the NONEL remote control initiating system may be used. NONEL-LP, simply the best.